In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA 5 new Los Santos texture final mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing mods, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file, the destination, and then go back. Open the GTA 5 new Los Santos texture. Drag and drop this mod loader inside of a game folder. And now you can launch the game through this 14,000 KB. This mod replaces Los Santos roads and sidewalks with GTA 5 style HD textures, making the city more realistic and much better in quality. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.